Hi, today I'm with my Asus ROG Phone 6D and I'll show you how to mute notification sound on this device. So first open the settings application and then tap to the sounds and vibration. Here you'll see ring and notifications button panel, and just to mute notifications we should hold and slide to the left side this dot on notifications button panel. Also, we could make it by another way, because when we'll mute the ring and notification volume panel, we'll mute not only the notifications but also the ringtones. So to mute only notifications, we could go to the notification sound section and switch your currently sound to none, and by this way you'll mute all of your notifications but you will stay with the ringtones. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.